How to turn off professional account on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the profile option given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to the profile page, at the top right corner, you will find three bars. Click on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Click on the option creator tools and controls. Now click on the option switch account type. Click on switch to personal account. When you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all of your content, including your promotions, will be permanently removed. Click on switch to personal account. Now you can completely close your Instagram app. Again, launch it, head towards your profile. With that, you have just removed professional account on your Instagram. So this is how you can easily turn off professional account on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.